Y'all, it's your girl, Big Kendra. Y'all, I am off for the next 6 days. Turn me up. So I am going to surprise my family and friends back home, which some of them know that I'm coming home because of something else you'll see later. But so some of them know. Really only one person knows. But I am so excited to surprise them. So let's begin. Give God the glory and tell him to continue to be a hedge of protection and pray for a minute, and we're about to go.
I'm a top of Miami, had a top down, can't do that shit in Chi-Town, cause shots gonna be fired around. That chance song was cool, but I can't slide around.
Hey there, Madre.
Hey, girl.
So, y'all, I am back in the South Carolina, and I'm really excited. Seeing my family so far, the ones that I have seen so far, has made my heart happy, and yeah, so I'm just ready for, the events and stuff that I'm attending this weekend. I'm ready to see all of my friends because y'all, last night when I got here, I dropped the location that I was here, and all of really just 3 of them, but my 3 heartbeats was oh my gosh, I'm so happy you're home, and I was so happy. So but yeah, so I'm headed to go meet with one of them right now, and maybe y'all see her. We'll see how she's feeling. Y'all, it's a lot going on, but this is my baby sister, Kenny Chin Chin, and this is my older sister, Kenyana, and that's my Madre. Keep talking every time I talk.
I wanted to keep the new ones.
She show my mom. No. Show my mom. Mom, you trying to look?
No. I wanted to wear the new ones though. Yeah, I don't want to see that, Mom. I don't like that. This is the first thing you come from. You see all this right in here? This is the boy stuff. Look at that. Watch that big dick open up.
Hey y'all, so this is day 4 down here in South Carolina. Today, as you can tell, I'm about to get something done to this hair. So I'll see y'all after that. So my girl did my hair. I'm so happy. I love the outcome. I do want to say a little message. So y'all, there was a point actually where I thought that I wasn't gonna be able to get my hair done, and I was kind of stressed and a little ill about it. But I'm really glad, things worked out. I prayed about it, and then, I just let it go, and I calmed down, and I figured out a way to get my hair done, and here I am. So yeah, there's peace, and there is answers in the calmness of the storm. Okay, so get to that point, and God will show out for you. Chat, do y'all see how lit it is at the old Walmart parking lot right now? My little sister, so I guess the little seniors and juniors or whoever at Union County High School and apparently surrounding areas do this thing where they call the truck meet, and you gotta bring a truck, or you can ride in your car, but you gotta bring a truck and you gotta come hard. Why are they going so hard? Why we we ain't go that hard. I'm upset. I want to go. I want to go. Period. Good morning, guys. We have been up for a while. We are excited, and you will see later why.
When I had my vision, you couldn't see.
Okay, how you feeling?
It's a boy.
It's a boy, period. I feel you. All right. For real now, y'all. For real now. For real. 3, 2, 1. Y'all, I'm finally headed back to GA. It was such a good week, seeing my family, my friends, and celebrating. Oh my gosh, I took my pen off. But I can't wait to put this out so that y'all can see it. We can celebrate together online. But yeah, excuse my hair. I am tired. I have a headache and I have to drive like 3 hours. So yeah, thank you for watching another video, another episode of More Everything TV. I love y'all, and let's do it.